Want to invest without any fees eating into your returns? Fidelity zero-fee index funds are a game-changer for long-term investors. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Fidelity offers several, like FCROX, Total US Market, and FSILX, International. To buy them, log into your Fidelity account and go to the Trade page. In the symbol box, type FCROX. Since there's $0 to trade, you can invest any amount. Choose Buy, enter the dollar amount or number of shares, and select your order type, usually Market, for long-term holds. Review and submit. My crucial pro tip? You can only hold them at Fidelity. These zero-fee funds are proprietary. If you ever transfer your account to another broker like Vanguard, you'll have to sell them first, which could trigger a taxable event. They're perfect if you plan to stay with Fidelity for the long haul. Build a diversified portfolio foundation without paying a single cent in fund fees. Are you using zero-fee funds as your portfolio's core? Why or why not? For more guides on low-cost investing, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.